If you need to reset your password for Western Alliance Bank, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Western Alliance Bank website and locate the login section. This is typically found on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your account. Fill in the required information and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link. This email may take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets the bank security requirements and confirm it. Save your changes. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.